Hello everyone! Welcome to Cooking Zindagi. If anyone prepares a delicious sambar, we ask them what sambar powder you have used, isn't it? So today, let's see how to prepare the most aromatic and flavorful sambar masala podi, which is the main ingredient of South Indian famous dish sambar. It is more hygienic, stays fresh for long period of time and also economical if you can prepare this at home than the store-bought ones. For this recipe, heat a pan, add ingredients one by one. Do not fry all of them at a time as they will be unevenly roasted and this reduces its shelf life. Add 1 cup of dry red chilies. You can also combine 2 different varieties of red chilies. Fry on slow flame until they change its color. Now remove them and cool it. In same pan, add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and fry them on slow flame until they change its color. Remove and cool them. Next, add 1 cup of coriander seeds in the same pan. Fry them until they turn a light brown in color. Remove them and cool it. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coconut, 2 tablespoons of rice, 1/4 cup of chana dal, 1/4 cup of tur dal, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 string of curry leaves and fry them until they turn in color and get slightly roasted. Make sure to add rice as it gives a smooth texture. Now add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Mix them. Turn off the flame and transfer them to a mixing jar after it gets cooled down. Close the lid and grind it to a fine powder. You can see our sambar podi is ready now to give more delicious flavor to the sambar you prepare at home. So do try this recipe, share it with your family members and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!